Hello friends, welcome to Pawan channel. In this tutorial we will see about primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So let's begin with example first. So let's see. In primitive data types, first we have number. Okay. In number we have two types, decimal and without decimal. So let's see decimal, without decimal. Let's number equal to 10 or 100. Okay, and then it will print document dot write number. Let's give the breakpoint. It will print the types of number. Okay, and then I have this is without decimal. Okay, and this is decimal. So let's give 10.01, 100.01, and this is its number 1. This is number 1. It will print, see, 100 is number and 100.01 is number only. Okay, and then second I have string. Okay, and string is basically sequence of character. Okay, so it will, in string value you can write inside the single quotes or double quotes also. So let's str first I am going to write in double quotes. Okay, and then document, let's copy from here, and then let's change str. Let's see the output first. Bunch of string. Okay, you can print it here also. And then second I have str1. Now I'm going to write in single quotes. So if I'll print here, this is str1 and this is also str1. Let's see. Pawan type string. Okay, now what I want to write, means see, now I am watching Pawan soft, right? Pawan soft channel. Okay, and this Pawan soft I want to write in like this, in single quotes. Okay, inside single quotes like this. So how I will write? So in JavaScript you can write where str2 equal to I am watching Pawan soft channel, correct? It will print so this is str2 and this is str2. Now let's see the output. I am watching Pawan soft, right, in single quotes. Or you can use like this also. Let's see same the output, right? So this is the string, and now third one I have Boolean. In Boolean I have only two types, right? True and false. So let's see here x equal to 10, okay, and here y equal to 20. Let's document dot write x less than y, right? So less than is y, so 10 is less than 20, so it will print true. And now x greater than y, 10 is greater than y, false, right? And you can also write like this, x equal to y, both are not equal, right? So here you get false, right? So let's see true, false, false, right? True, false, false, right? And fourth I have undefined. So undefined, suppose let's see there, this is name, right? I'm not going to assign anything. So if you will not assign anything, then it will print document dot write name, and it will print types of name, right? Types of name. In both cases it will print the undefined. If you are not assigning any value, then by default having undefined value. Undefined, right? So if you are not going to assign any value, so by default it will keep, by default it has undefined value, right? And it types also, if you check types, then it is also undefined. And fifth one, I have null value, right? So here z equal to null. So it will print this is z, okay, and this is z. So it will print null, and it is null, so types of object. This is object type, this is null, and this is object. So in JavaScript we have five type primitive data type, right? This is 4 and this is 5. And second, we have non-primitive data type. In non-primitive data type, we have array, right? First, array type. So array type we can create by using square bracket. So here array square bracket, right? Using square bracket we can create the array. So let's Pawan, Kumar, soft. So this is the array, and it will print document dot write array. Okay, it will give you the result, right? Pawan, Kumar and soft. And second I have object, okay, object. So object we can create in JavaScript using curly braces. Inside curly braces you can write like name, okay, name Pawan soft, okay, and company Pawan soft. And if you want to print document dot write, you have to call object dot name, then object dot company, right? So it will give you the corresponding data. Let's see, Pawan soft and Pawan soft, correct? Let's give here like this. Okay, and then see the output again. It will print the same thing, Pawan soft and Pawan soft. Let's see the theory. Primitive data type. There are 5 types of primitive data types in JavaScript: number, string, boolean, and undefined, and null, right? And second, non-primitive data type. In non-primitive data types, we have 3 types of non-primitive data types: array, object, and regular expression, right? So we have seen array and object. Regular expression we'll see in next video. We have separate video for this, and the array and object we have already seen few example, right? Array, this is object. So in separate video we'll see again in detail, but for now that's it. We have seen basic only. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching.